get me mad and angry. Let me tell you what really get me mad and angry. You see me there on Instagram and I see somebody post 10 picture. And when me look, the 10 of them picture them are the same thing. The same place, the same spot, the same pose. I mean I say, you could move to somewhere else. You couldn't go over there, so you couldn't go over the side there. You couldn't sit down in a somebody picture them and get up in a sub. You couldn't change your clothes. Stop it, man. I'm not post the same thing 10 times. You know, so I blame myself. I blame myself. You know why I blame myself? Because me fool like duck. Curiosity make me a search the 10 picture to see if any of the picture them are go different. That don't make no sense to me. Maybe you say only if you just post one single picture or come off my Instagram. Make we know what's going on. Just about one single piece of pork. On the streets of Brooklyn. Yeah? I'll go look food and walk up and down and ting and show ourselves New York City, you see? Remember me tell you. Brooklyn! I'll go cross this one. Going down the subway. Yeah. First time going in the subway in New York. Lord Jesus, I come like me, I go down in one dungeon. Watch it. This not normal. This is not normal, guys. I promise you. Yeah. To J Street Station subway. Me now take the subway gun away, me just a look. Oh, down this at the train line there. You have to go through the turnstile and everything. When you go through the pier and go through the turnstile, and yeah, once you use the entry, you go through here, sir, and then you go down which by the train there. Oh yes. Now I'm gonna further come, now pay no money. We'll go back up to that one. You exit through yourself. This is the view from downtown Brooklyn, just outside our hotel. Yeah. This is what's going on. Not much doing because we have business. Right? I'm staying right here. Yeah. This is what's going on. See, you can see way in the background the Brooklyn Bridge. It's way down there. Let me see if I can zoom in. See if I can zoom in. Hold on, I see I can zoom in. Yeah. See the Brooklyn Bridge there? Way in the background. Yeah man, that's where we are. So where we're heading now, there's a protest going on. Human rights protest happening. I don't know if you can see the crowds. And people coming back with their flags and thing. And yeah, I say we can get some footage of the protest that's going on. Well, I think police break it up now. So, see it's happening way up there.
Accept this. We will not accept it. And this is not who we are as Americans.
So
I'm an ambassador for the ACLU, and I'm here. Thank you. Yes, the ACLU is not a school.
Going on, guys, it's a rally against, a protest against human detention and all them something there. And I tried to give you as much footage as I could, but the sun New York City, guys. Sunset. I don't know which side I'm looking at. I don't know what's going on. Because I show a little bit of what I am seeing. And the camera not doing it justice at all. I'm on the harbor lights right now. True man. True man. Oh my God. I couldn't believe when he came out with that. Close to all. Hey, try this guy look like you.
can't try, it look like you get locked up all of them. Give me a while. Listen, sir.
Nope. It was right between the gap right there? Yeah. Wow.
They were massive.
Yeah. I know. I saw it. Well, I saw it in movies.
Yeah.
You know, I've been coming back, to New York back and forth. But most of the times I'm in the boroughs. You know, I'm in Bronx or Queens and you work and you just leave. You know, that's it. You know. Yeah. And I did a couple of boat cruises, but it was not over here.
Flushing, probably.
Yeah, Flushing, yeah. New York at night, guys. The bridges.
That there, they renovated that structure with the colors there.
With the lights, yeah.
They used to light from there. Like, you saw the shape of the windows on?
Yeah.
That metal doors. And the ships would come through. It was bright.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. This is the nice views, you know. This is nice. Seeing the river and everything. Yep. This is New York at night, guys. I didn't get to do much vlogging this trip, you know, but bear with me. That's the Brooklyn Bridge way down there. And this is the Manhattan Bridge right here. Yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful. Trust me. And the next bridge coming up is the Williamsburg Bridge. See it right there? Yeah. Hopefully later on we can hit the streets. I don't know yet. But yeah, New York at night. Yardie Belly says so.